Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be demonstrating Hoover Smartwash Essentials. You know, before I used to always call someone to do my washing my carpets, washing my couches, but since I got it 2 days ago, I just can't stop myself from using it, washing everywhere that I can see dirt. And this is how you use it. So easy to use. Now it is giving the water, and when you pull back, it's drying it up. As you can see, pulling the water. Now when you push, it's giving the water out. So this way you can wash your carpets. So easy. Just use your one hand. Anyone can do it. If you want your kids to do it, you can even let them wash your carpet. Thank you, Hoover. Well, Hoover puts everyone before everyone. Thank you, Hoover. I'm so happy with your product.